Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi A3 and today I'll show you how to enable Google Backup. So to get started, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, which I am, as you can see. And from there, all you want to do is just go into the settings and then find, where is account, right here, and just tap on add account. Choose Google, give it a moment for it to load, and then put in your Google account. Now, if you don't have one, you can always create one, as you can see right here. But I already have it, so I don't need to do that. And then put in the password. So I'm going to do that off the screen. And tap on next. And you'll see the welcome screen of terms and services, which is the best welcome screen you can get. Tap on I agree. And now we have the Google account. So from here, once you tap on it, you will basically be taken to sync account and Google account. Let's see. That basically takes you to the settings. But from here, you can tap on sync and it will give you extended view of basically everything that can be synced between the devices. So keep in mind that this is synced, but only to the devices that are on the same email. So basically, you can also disable whatever you don't want to be synced between different devices that are on the same Google account. And the rest will be basically updated every time Google decides to update it right here. And you can also, I think, tap on it or basically disable and enable it to do it manually, and it will then update automatically when you enable it back up. But that is basically how you would enable it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.